Have you been looking for a recipe to help picky eaters enjoy seafood? I've got a recipe for easy salmon cakes that's healthy, full of flavor, and really simple to make. I'm Whitney from Sweet Cayenne, and I'm all about helping you find delicious recipes made with seasonal, high-quality ingredients. This salmon cake recipe has been on my blog for quite a while now, and I'm always so happy when readers tell me that their picky kid eaters loved these salmon cakes. They don't taste fishy at all, and you're going to be surprised at how much they taste like a crab cake.
Get out a large bowl, and to that you're going to add a third cup of olive oil mayonnaise. Follow that with 1 lightly beaten egg, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, followed by a tablespoon of Louisiana hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then you're going to give it a really good mix with a fork or a whisk until it's well combined. Follow that up with 3/4 of a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And then you're going to add 3 6-ounce cans of boneless, skinless, wild-caught salmon. This is the easiest kind to use. Use your fork to mix that all up really gently until it's very well incorporated. Be careful not to overmix though. Use your hands and the fork to shape the salmon mixture into 4 4-ounce cakes, or you can make 8 2-ounce cakes depending on your preference. Next, you'll cook the cakes in a skillet over medium heat in some olive oil or avocado oil for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're cooked through and really hot and crispy. I like to serve these on a big salad with hot sauce aioli on top and maybe a side of sweet potato fries.
I hope you get the chance to try these easy salmon cakes. If you like this recipe, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I post a new recipe. In the meantime, check out this recipe for grilled shrimp boil foil packs, a perfect recipe for summer nights outside. See you next time.